Tired of random people sending you message requests on X? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off message requests on X so only the people you want can contact you. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. Now scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new settings page will appear with different privacy and account options. Here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll until you find Chats and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see messaging and communication settings for your account. Look for the option called Allow Message Requests From. Tap on it. You'll now see different options for who can send you message requests. To completely stop receiving requests from unknown users, select No One. Once you do that, random users will no longer be able to send message requests to your account on X. This can help keep your inbox cleaner, quieter, and more private. And that's it. That's how you can disable message requests on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.